Hello guys, how are we doing today? Welcome back to our channel and welcome to this video. I want to believe you're doing good. I want to believe you're doing great. In this video, we're going to be doing an analysis of Audjpy and what to expect from the market this week. If you're just coming across our videos, you're just coming across our channel, I want to say welcome. It's good to have you. What you want to do right now is click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because we release videos like this almost every day, letting our viewers know what to expect from the market per time, and you don't want to miss out on any of such videos. Now let's get straight into the business of this video. Let's start the analysis on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we could see that last month the market ended as a shooting star, which is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern, and we could also see that this is occurring on a resistance region, which speaks a lot about such signal. And of course, we could also see that the market has been buying consistently for a pretty long time, for about 2 years or more, and the RSI has gotten to the overbought region. So from here, we could also see that there's been a lot of bearish rejection. There's a lot of bearish pressure around this region. You could see the candlesticks around here having long upper wicks. So we could safely say, we could be certain about saying that the market, or there is strong selling pressure around this region in the market. Now let's consider the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we could also see here that there is a contention among buyers and sellers, even though buyers have been pushing it gradually, but sellers has really been pushing. And of course, we could also see here that the market made a shooting star here, and the next candle was a bearish candle. Then the 10-day simple moving average crossed over the candlestick here. The next candle was a small bearish candle. Then last week the market ended as a doji. Of course, if you could remember, okay, let's also consider the daily time frame before I say what I was about saying. On the daily time frame, we could also see that the market ranged around this region. Then on Thursday we had this bearish candle with a long upper wick and not so long lower wick. Then on Friday the market closed as a bearish candle, and on the 4 hours time frame we could see that throughout last week the market was ranging around here. Now this is what I was about saying. Last week the market was somewhere here, I think here, because I remember this evening star here, which I did say that the market will be going bearish, and the market bought a bit, then sold again. That's why we could see on the weekly time frame that the market closed as a doji. Let's look at it again. So on the weekly time frame, you can see the market closed as a doji. So what do we expect from the market this week? Now, on the overall, look at the monthly time frame. Like we said, on the overall, Audjpy is going to sell, or it's on a downtrend. It's going to sell. That's what's going to happen on the overall. Considering that this is a strong resistance region, this is a shooting star, and we could see bearish pressure around here. We could see bearish rejection. The RSI have gotten to the overbought region, so we're expecting the market to go bearish this month and beyond. Then the market had ranged around here. Okay, look at the daily time frame. We had this significant bearish move, but getting to this region, the market pulled back, and it has ranged within this region within, let's say, last week and this, or last week, the past 2 weeks, the market has ranged around here. And of course, if we look at it on the 4 hours time frame, the range, okay, you can see it looks more like a range bound, but this is something that occurs in the range bound. Many people usually expect market to linger around the range bound, especially if you look at it on the hourly time frame. Look at the hourly time frame. It is going to appear like something that is going to stay here for a long time. Let's compress it a bit. So it's going to look as if the market is just going to be buying and selling within the support and resistance region. But of course, if you look at the broader picture, you're going to see that the market has every chance and every possibility to break out of that region. So considering that the overall trend is a downtrend, for that reason we're expecting the market to break on the lower part, so we're expecting the market to go bearish. Of course, looking at the weekly time frame, look at the weekly time frame again. We'll see here, this was a shooting star. This, of course, the shooting star is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern, and after the shooting star, there's supposed to be a significant bearish move, but we had this bearish candle and the 10-day simple moving average cross over the candlestick, which is a bearish entry trigger, and the next candle was a small bearish candle. Then last week candle was a gravestone doji. So you can see that nothing much has happened after the shooting star and the 10-day simple moving average crossing over the candlestick. So for that, we're still expecting the bears to push the market real significantly. So for that reason, we're expecting the market to go bearish this week and even beyond. So our TP1 was this region, this red horizontal line, which we marked, and it has not yet been attained. We've not changed our mind about that TP. We're still maintaining that TP as TP1, and this is our TP2. Let's mark our TP2. Here's our TP2. So we're expecting the market to get to this region perhaps in the next 2 weeks, depending on the selling pressure in the market could also be attained in 1 week. Of course, we've seen something like this happen in previous times where the market made over 1,000 pips within 2 days. So it's possible for that to happen, and if such occurs within this week, our TP2 is going to be attained. So for now, we'll say we're expecting the market to go bearish, and this is our TP1. That's what we're expecting the market to go to get to, and this is our TP2. So that's what we're expecting from the market. If you have any question, you have a different opinion, you can use the comment section. If you want to register for our complete forex training, you can check the description of this video. You're going to see a link where you can register for our complete forex training, where we give beginners to advanced classes, ebooks, and lifetime mentorship. Like we always say, trading is a highly risky endeavor. You don't want to venture into trading without proper knowledge. So if you don't have sufficient knowledge about trading, you don't want to take this trade, you can watch this video for educational purpose. If you want to subscribe for our signal service, we'll give proper entry, stop loss, and take profits. Check the description of this video. You're going to see a link where you can subscribe for our signal service. And if you want to get a copy of my book, Trading Without Tears, also check the description of this video. You're going to see a link where you can get the soft copy. If you want the hard copy, send us a direct message to any of our social media handles. Tell us your location. We'll tell you the cost of shipping it. Once your payment is confirmed, you'll have the book delivered to you. So that's it from us on this video. I hope you got value. See you in the next video. Bye for now.